Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a driver account on DoorDash step by step so you can start earning quickly and smoothly. First, go to the official DoorDash website or download the Dasher app from your App Store. Once you're on the sign-up page, click on Become a Dasher to begin the registration process. Next, enter your basic details like your full name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password. Make sure all information is accurate, as it will be used for verification and payments. After that, you'll need to provide additional details, such as your home address and delivery preferences. DoorDash will also ask for your vehicle type, whether it's a car, bike, or scooter, depending on what's available in your area. Now, complete the background check process. You'll be asked to submit identification documents like a driver's license and consent to a background screening. This step is important and may take a few days to get approved. Once your background check is submitted, set up your payment method. Enter your bank account details so you can receive your earnings directly. DoorDash may also offer fast pay options for quicker withdrawals. Next, complete any required orientation steps in the Dasher app. This may include watching short tutorials on how deliveries work, how to accept orders, and how to communicate with customers. After approval, you'll receive a welcome kit in some regions, which may include a delivery bag and instructions. However, you can often start delivering before the kit arrives. Finally, open the Dasher app, go online, and start accepting delivery requests. Make sure your phone is charged, your location services are on, and you're in a busy area to get more orders. By following these steps, you can successfully open your DoorDash driver account and begin earning with flexible working hours. Subscribe the channel for more videos.